Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner, storyline, and wiser mind, so please don't copy that. In Kim Mansion with the strawberry scented air, morning were always a little chaotic, especially when the house belonged to a scary professor, a sweet, self obsessed man, and their dramatic, strawberry obsessed baby named Kim Taeyang. Jin, slightly annoyed and yelling from kitchen, Kim Namjoon! June, startled and fumbles, Yeah, baby. Jin walked in, holding pink spatula like a weapon. You dare to enter in my precious kitchen and dare to touch my precious appliances by your destructive hands. June, I was just trying to help you. Jin, by burning my toaster instead of making toast. June, I only make toast. Jin, my poor toaster is crying. Next time if you dare to touch my things, then I will burn your all the thesis along with you, Professor Kim. T laughed. Dada burn the toaster. Jin raised his one eyebrow. And you, Kim Taeyang? Why is half the jam on your face instead of your bread? T innocently. Titi's feeding jam to Titi's cheeks. They are hungry too and complaining to feed only mouth. June tried to distract. At least he is drinking milk today. That's progress. Jin, yeah, it's the greatest achievement. We should make a big holding and announce it in every news channel that breaking news today Kim Taeyang finished his milk. June, isn't it too much? Jin, mad and hit him by spatula. Kim Namjoon, doesn't your brain work without getting hit? Who made you professor? And who the dumb person that told you have 148 IQ? I seriously wanna meet with him. June, it's not my fault. In front of your worldwide handsome face, my 148 IQ brain went blank, said lovingly with a wink. Jin blustered. Have your breakfast. Looked at T. T, you become this much big but still don't know how to eat. T. Titi eats in school by Titi's hands, said proudly. Jin fed him his breakfast. Okay, have your breakfast, otherwise you will be late for your school. T was sitting on the passenger seat and looking outside through a window. Driver was driving the car. T, while pressing his cheeks on closed window. Wow! Look! That Yang is holding baby back and she is carrying her sister on her back. Why are they behaving like Titi's mama and dada? Driver smiled. Because they are older siblings. T looked at him. Sibling? What's it? Driver, sibling means the child from your parents other than you. T, like they stay in same house, call their mama and dada as mama dada and share tasty strawberries too. Driver, yeah, they fight with each other but love each other the most. T. Driver uncle, do you also have babies? Driver, I have two babies, a boy and a girl. They both are chatterbox. My son pulls my daughter's hair and she bites his hand. All the time they fight. But whenever they get anything to eat, they always share. My daughter is elder. She always carries my son's bag and helps him in studies. And my son helps my daughter in bringing things. If you have sibling, you don't need anyone. They are each other's friends, bickering partners, a secret keeper, partner in crime. T in mind. Really? Having a sibling is fun, but Titi can't share Titi's mama, dada, and Titi's strawberries. Time skipped in the evening. T went to park to play with his friends. Here Jin was preparing snacks and John came to kitchen. He got the perfect opportunity for romance. June back hugged him and brushed his nose against his neck. How can you still smell so fresh? I want to eat you. Jin, leave me. What are you doing? Haven't I banned you from kitchen? June, you told me to not touch your precious appliances, but I can touch my universe. I don't have any restriction over it. Flipped him to himself. You are looking like mine. Jin raised his one eyebrow. Looking like? June, oops, sorry. In front of your beauty, my 148 IQ again went blank. Slides his hands under Jin's t-shirt and hugged his tiny waist tightly. Jin softly, Titi will see us. June, Titi went to play with his friends. He won't come anytime soon. Let me take what I have craved. He leaned towards his lips and gently pulled him in a soft but long kiss. Jin's arms were wrapped in John's head and playing with his hairs. John's hands were moving on Jin's and him against himself, leaving no space between them. His grip was getting tighter and kiss getting intense by every passing second. They were lost in each other's. Suddenly, they heard T's voice and Jin pushed June and fixed his clothes. T. Mama, mama, mama. June always comes in wrong timing. Jin hit on his shoulder. Shut up. I'm in kitchen, Titi. T came there. Mama, mama, mama. Stopped. Mama, what happened to your lips? How did it become so big? Jin touched his lips up. June started coughing. T looked at him. Dada, you came this early? June nervously while drinking water. I came early to complete my incomplete work. T innocently. Did you complete your work? June looked at Jin, who was looking at other side by blushing hard. I had just started. T. Then what are you doing here? Go and complete your work. June mumbled. I will complete if you will leave us alone. Jin cut off him. T. What happened? Why did you come this early? T. Mama, Dada, Titi wants something. June, okay, what is it? Jin smiled. I already brought your strawberries. T. Serious. Titi wants a baby sibling. Namjin choked their breath. What? Baby? T nodded his head vigorously with sparkling, hopeful eyes. Yes, a baby. Jin, why so sudden? T. Today, Titishwa baby is going to school with Yanks and Nonas. But Nona gave her baby sister strawberry in park too. Everyone brought their babies. Everyone has babies. Devon uncle said having babies siblings is so much fun. Titi also want baby. June, forget it. You can't get baby. Jin, because having a sibling isn't a small thing. You have to share everything with him or her. Titi will do. Titi will become best Yangi. June, certainly. No, you can't get sibling, and that's final. Left. T pins hard. But wait, Mama. Jin, Dada is right, Titi. Sibling brings huge responsibility along with themselves. And you aren't ready for it. Today you are saying you want a sibling because you saw others. But tomorrow, if you don't like him or her, then we can't throw him or her out. So sorry, no baby. Time skipped at next day. Titi as usual came to play in park. Now everywhere he saw baby only. Seeing the bonding of siblings, he felt a strong desire to get a baby. He was returning back to home. While admiring siblings, suddenly he heard a small baby crying. He looked here and there and found a small baby girl who was in pink stroller and crying. He went to her. T looked at her. Ah, baby, why are you crying? Looked here and there. Where are your mama and dada? Carefully touched her cheeks. Ah, your cheeks are so soft like feather. Baby clenched the hem of his t-shirt. You like me? Don't cry. Started making funny faces and baby started laughing. Will you be Titi's baby sister? Titi will give you Titi's strawberries. Titi will never let you cry. Baby slowly nodded her head while laughing. T thought baby agreed to become his sister. He carefully picked her from stroller and took her to his home. T cheerful. Mama, Dada. See, Titi brings Titi's baby sister. Namjin shocked and hurriedly stood up. What? T. Don't shout. Titi's sister will scare. June. What nonsense is this? Whose baby is he? Jin. Titi, you can't steal someone's baby just because we denied you. Where did you take her from? T. Titi didn't steal. Titi was coming to home, but Titi saw she was crying alone in the park. There was no one. Titi asked from her that she wants to become Titi's baby sister. Then she happily nodded her head. See, Titi made her smile like good Yangi. Titi will always make her happy, said proudly. Jin quickly picked the baby from his hand. Titi, you are insane. Come and show us where you took her from. Her parents must be looking for her. They returned back the baby girl to her parents. Her mom went to bring her milk bottle from the car, and when she returned, baby wasn't there. Namjin apologized from her and her husband on behalf of T. T cried a lot. He wasn't ready to leave her. Namjin forcefully took him at home and scolded him a lot. Time skipped after 2 days. It being 2 days since this incident happened, Titi became quiet. He stopped talking and going to play in the park. He just stayed in his room. Namjin were worried for him. June looked at Jin. What happened? Jin. sat beside him. He didn't want to come. June, haven't you told him that we are going to watch his favorite movie? Jin, I said. I even told him that I prepared his caramel popcorn, but still he didn't come. June, I scolded him too much. Jin, it wasn't your fault, Junie. You were right. Titi stole a baby. Junie, can't we? June looked at him. Don't you dare to think. No, there is no space for second baby. Jin, I think Titi genuinely needs a sibling. He is getting older. He needs a partner who can play with him when we aren't here. June, you are right, but Titi isn't a normal kid. He is so possessive. Getting a younger sibling means he has to share his space with him or her, which he can't do. They came to talk with T. Jin slowly unlocked the door and saw T was laying on bed and looking at his toe without blinking his eyes. His face was so dull. Jin, Titi, baby, see, Mama brought caramel popcorn for you. You love it, na? T didn't respond. June sat beside him. Titi, Mama and Dada come to talk with you. T turned his face to the side. Titi doesn't want to talk. Jin picked him and made him sit on his lap. Titi, this isn't the way. When someone comes to talk with you, you should have talked with him. June strokes his hair. You want a sibling? T nodded his head vigorously. Yes, Titi wants a sibling. June, and why? T, because everyone has siblings. They play with each other a lot. Jin, they didn't only play, they share their things with each other too. June, and being an elder sibling, you have to do lots of sacrifices and adjustments. It's a big responsibility. T, Titi said Titi will do everything for baby. Jin, new baby will call Mama and Dada to Mama and Dada. We won't be only your parents. T, but he will call Titi as Titi Hanky too. June, new baby will sleep between Mama and Dada at your place. T, Titi will make a space and let him sleep beside Titi and Mama. Jin, you have to share your strawberries with him. T, Titi will share Titi's strawberries, clothes, toys and shoes. June, what if he tear your books? T, Titi will calmly make him understand that is bad thing. Titi will teach him good things. Titi will bring him Titi's school. Titi will carry his school bag. Titi will take him to park to play. Titi will learn stories and tell him. When he will cry, Titi will make funny faces and make him smile. Titi will give him bati bati. Titi will make him wear his clothes and shoes. Titi will never leave his hand. Titi promise. Titi will try to become best hanging. Titi won't shout. Titi won't ask anything. Just one baby. Titi will love him a lot and never tell you to throw him. Namjin smiled proudly to hear his answers. This wasn't the dramatic Titi. He was well mature. Titi wasn't possessive at all and really wanted to become a young. Time skipped after 2 days. Namjin went out for important work. They called him on landline and told him to pick the parcel. It was very important parcel, so pick carefully. Titi was waiting for the parcel. Doorbell rang and he went to open the door. T, yes? Delivery boy, is this Mr. Kim Namjoon's house? T, yes, he is Titi's tata. Delivery boy, I brought his parcel. T spread his arms. Then give Titi. Delivery boy, I can't give it to you. It's heavy. Tell me where should I keep it? T pointed his finger near the staircase. Here, keep it here. Delivery boy gave him paper and pen. Sign it here. T. Hill wrote his full name. Thank you. Port 90 degree. He locked the door and about to enter inside, but saw the parcel. It was the beautiful basket and wrapped with a cute ribbon. There was Kim Taeyang written. T bent down to the parcel. Here is Titi's name written. That means it's for Titi. Mama Dada ordered something for Titi. Here is a cute ribbon. He pulled the ribbon and a small cute boy appeared laying on the basket with soft woolen blanket. He was sucking his ham off his right hand sleeve. While looking at T, he was looking like a doll. T, shocked. Is she doll? Touched his soft cheek, and he quickly held his finger by his full hand. No, you aren't a doll. You are a real baby. June, while standing at the door frame, he's Titi's baby. T immediately looked at them and ran to them. Really? Titi's baby? Titi can keep him. He won't go anywhere. Jin gently pinched on his nose. Yes, he is Titi's baby. He will stay with us for forever. T started happily jumping. Yay! Now Titi also have a baby. June. His name is Minnie. Do you like him? T hugged him tightly. Titi loves it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Went to Minnie and gently held his hand. Titi will always with you. June carefully picked him in his arms and took him in the living room. Titi went to his room and brought his old clothes and made him wear the cutest cloth, penguin one. June brought the strawberries and gave Titi and Minnie. Jin, here is your strawberries. T looked at Jin. Mama, see, Titi dressed up Minnie like a penguin. Minnie is looking so cute in it. That I helped Titi. Jin, Titi did a great work. T saw Minnie's bowl. Mama, why did you give Minnie small amount and that too in small pieces? Jin, because Minnie is small, his tummy is small, he needs a small amount and small pieces so that he won't choke it. T made a face. Oh, Titi understood. Now Titi will give Minnie food in small pieces. June, Titi, now listen to us carefully. Now you officially become a hyang. Now you have to act like a hyang. Jin, and take care of Minnie. He is only 1.5 years old. He is very weak and sick. T, sick? June, yes, sick, but don't worry, he will be fine soon. He just needs proper love, care, food, and medicine. He can't run fast like Titi. Titi has to be patient and slowly teach him everything. T, don't worry, Mama. Titi will make Minnie healthy like Titi. Titi will take care of Minnie's food and medicine and love him so much. Minnie placed the strawberry in front of his mouth and he happily ate it. June, see, he already started sharing his food with his Yangi. T fed him small piece of strawberry. Titi will share too. Minnie and Titi will be best brothers, right, Minnie? Made funny faces and Minnie smiled brightly while showing his cute baby teeth. Minnie had mild malnutrition. Because of that, nobody adopted him. Namjoon immediately decided to adopt him because they could raise him and could give him good future. They took him to hospital and started his treatment. They slowly made him walk. He wasn't a crybaby. He always smiled. He daily waited for Titi to return back from school and played with him. Titi took him to meet his friends in stroller and play there, then safely took him back. Minnie was so happy and Titi too. He really became so mature and took care of Minnie. Namjoon were so happy to see their both the babies together. Time skipped after few months. Time passed like falling snowflakes, gentle, quiet, magical, and just like that, baby Minnie became Titi's shadow, his baby, his best friend. Namjoon came on family vacation. It was Minnie's first time to travel. He was so happy. Titi and Minnie were making snowmen and their parents were watching them by big glass window. Jin, he really likes cold places. See, here I'm freezing and there they both are making snowmen. Are they really my babies? June pushed his head on his chest and protectively wrapped his arms around his shoulders. Yes, they are our babies. They knew how to give their parents privacy. Kissed on his head. I'm here. I won't let you freeze. Jin looked at T and Minnie. I still can't believe he's a TT who hates to share his things and said, I eat by my hands in school na. Now feed me. June, at that time he was only child. He was carefree and stubborn, but now he became a young. After becoming elder sibling, you become mature and careful. Just like our TT, we don't do any mistake to adopt him. He was born to become our youngest son, Kim Minnie. Here they both were talking and sharing body heat, and there their children were making snowmen. Minnie patted the snow. Snowy, snowy. T clapped. Minnie did the good job. T added carrot and muffler. Now Snowy is ready. Minnie pulled out carrot. Snowy, no carrot. Minnie, carrot, eat. Minnie, hungry. About to eat. T stopped him. Minnie can't eat this. This is Snowy's nose. Again attached the nose. Titi will give Minnie good and warm food. Minnie happily started jumping. Yay! Minnie food! Ah! Slipped and fell. T caught him. Titi won't let Minnie to fall. Titi will always be with Minnie. Minnie held T's pinky finger by his full hand. Minnie, together too. T, let's go inside. Mama, Dada are waiting. She, Snowy, bye-bye. Minnie, bye-bye, Snowy, Snowy. In a world full of toys and tantrums, Titi finally found something he never knew he needed. A tiny hand to hold and a heart that beat just like him. He once hated the sharing but now gave his biggest piece of heart with a smile and earned a baby brother who always hold his hand. Don't forget to tell me how's it. If you want more stories like this, then comment down. I will definitely make it. Don't worry about Yunmin and baby Cookie. We will continue it. Sometimes children don't ask for things, they ask for love in the only way they know. A lonely heart doesn't understand logic, it only feels absence. Before scolding them, we must understand them. Sometimes the greatest gift parents can give their child is not a toy, it's a sibling. Because through every fight and every hug, siblings learn how to love unconditionally. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all liked it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. I got lots of requests for Namjin. I already told you that when my channel becomes stable, I will make it. But you still weren't ready to listen, so I made it. Now show me your loyalty. Show me how much you want it. If I won't get comment of those people who literally spammed on every story, I won't make Namjin stories anytime soon. How was our naughty TT as a young? How was our cute Minnie? Everyone deserves a sibling. It's good to have a bickering partner. We fight, argue, love, hate, tease, but at the end, we again reunite. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.